Everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are gonna see how to stop spam friend requests on Facebook. So to do that, let's head over to your Facebook application first. Once in there, make sure that you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to the three lines icon on the top right. From there, just tap on the gear icon. It will lead you to the settings and privacy. Now, this might take a while to load, so wait for it. And then go to content preferences in preferences section, or you can go to activity log. Let's go to content preferences first. So if it takes time to load, change your Wi-Fi to go back and to go to how people can find and contact you. And in here, go to who can send you friend requests. Select it to friends of friends. And then once you do that, this is how you can just stop spam friend requests on Facebook. Hope this hack will help you out. Make sure to tap on save, otherwise it won't be saved. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.